Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to learn in profit and loss how to find cost price and selling price. Let's recall the bar model for profit. Hi everyone. I'm going to tell you very important thing. If you know any two values in the bar model, you can find the third. Let's see how. When we say SP is greater than CP, that means there is a profit. SP is greater, so it will be in the upper bar, the whole part. And CP and profit will be the parts, that is in the lower bar. So if we have to find the profit, we say SP minus CP. If we have to find SP, we say CP plus profit. Since two part added, we get the whole. Look at the bar model carefully. Now if we have to find the CP, we say SP minus profit. Let's look at the bar model for loss. When there is CP greater than SP, then we say it's a loss. Let's look at the bar model for it. CP is greater, so it will be in the whole, that is upper bar, and SP and loss will be the parts in the lower bar. Now if we have to find the loss, we subtract CP minus SP. If we have to find CP, then we say SP plus loss. Two parts added and we get the whole. Now if we have to find SP, we say CP minus loss. Let's do the questions now. First question is, find the cost price in each case using bar model. First one is given to us. SP is 2385 and profit is 195. Since it is a profit, that means SP is greater than CP. So bar model will have SP in upper bar whole and CP and profit in lower bar. Now we have to find the CP. So to find a part, what we do? We subtract. So we will say CP is equal to SP minus profit. We subtract the quantities. 2385 minus 195 and the answer is 2190 rupees. Let's see the next question. SP is 1900. Now loss is given to us, that is 628 rupees. Now since it is a loss, CP will be greater than SP. So CP will come in the whole part, upper part, and SP and loss will come in the lower bar. Since we have to find the CP, the whole, we add SP and loss to get the CP. So we add 1900 and 628 and the answer is 2528 rupees. Let's see the next question. We have to now find the SP using the bar model. Now CP and loss is given to us and we have to find the SP. Since loss, then CP is greater than SP. CP will be in the upper bar whole part and SP and profit will be in the lower parts. So to find the SP, that is a part, we will subtract CP minus loss. So on subtracting 1095 minus 89, we get 1006 rupees. Let's see the another question. Now as CP is 3586 and profit is 369. Since profit is given, so in case of profit we have SP greater than CP. You have to remember the conditions, and now SP is greater, so it will be in the upper bar, that is the whole part, and CP and profit will be in the lower part. Since we have to find the SP, the whole, we will add CP and profit. So on adding 3586 and 369, we get 3955 rupees. You will do all these classwork questions in the notebook, and along with it, these homework questions you will solve in your notebook. Thank you, students.